This is the current standard for high-end AI filmmaking. The physics are stable, the lighting intentional, and the character recognizable throughout the movement. Compare that to this. The face morphs and the costume colors shift mid-frame. In the industry, this unpredictability is known as AI slop. Analytics for this content show a recurring pattern. Retention holds briefly, then hits a sharp cliff. Heat maps reveal these exits align exactly with visual glitches. Once a character becomes unrecognizable, immersion breaks and the viewer scrolls away. Professional creators avoid this by treating AI as a directed camera rather than a randomized generator. They use a 5-step software pipeline designed to lock in a character's identity before a single frame of animation is rendered. Mastering this specific sequence of operations is what allows a creator to move past viral anomalies and toward a professional, repeatable production. The workflow begins inside an image generator. At this stage, we are not interested in movement. We are interested in establishing a visual baseline. Step 1 is generating an identity kit. This character sheet provides a facial reference from 3 different angles, ensuring the costume and features are established as a fixed data point. We save these images as a reference library. By doing this, we create a strict visual anchor that we will feed into every future scene prompt. In Step 2, we prompt our specific story frames or scene stills, using that locked identity kit as a constant reference. This produces a cinematic still that matches our original design. Here, our protagonist is placed in a Tudor market, but the face and wardrobe remain identical to our character sheet. You should generate and approve every still for your sequence before moving to the next software environment. By defining the character and the environment in a static image, you resolve the visual ambiguity before the AI has to calculate the complexity of motion. With the stills approved, we move to the AI video generator for Step 3, the animation phase. This split screen shows why we avoid text to video. On the left, a text prompt creates an unstable subject. On the right, our static portrait provides a firm anchor. Motion vectors animate the background, while a wireframe locks the facial geometry. The result is a fluid, cinematic shot where the character is free to move, but the identity remains perfectly consistent. Step 4 is assigning a synthetic voice. A consistent audio profile reinforces the character's presence, making them feel like a permanent part of the world. In the final assembly, we take these controlled video clips and layered audio and place them into a standard timeline to refine the pacing. Following this modular process transforms an unpredictable AI output into an intentional, directed scene. To see how this holds up over a long-form project, look at this sequence. Our protagonist is now walking through a dimly lit medieval castle, yet the visual identity is unmistakable. Even with the change in lighting, the face shape and wardrobe have remained intact through the entire transition. In the current YouTube landscape, the algorithm prioritizes compelling story universes and visual continuity. The specific model used to generate the frames is secondary to the quality of the narrative. A professional creator uses an identity kit to ensure their world feels real, while a beginner is essentially gambling with text prompts. Open your image generator and build your first identity kit today. You can find the exact prompts to start your reference library in the description. While specific platforms and models will change, the logic of visual control remains constant. Mastering this workflow provides a framework for production that can adapt to whatever tools come next.